Hi there, it's Devang here, and as you can see on the screen, the 100 lines of code for the automation testing of the flight website UI. So the website that we are choosing today will be the SpiceJet website, and we're gonna test the user interface of the booking page. And you can see there are some assertions that were included. The get attribute have been used, choosing the elements by XPath, and also clicking on the buttons to get the expected results. So using the for loops here, and also using the thread slip to set the counter, I can say, between the two codes. So let's run the test without wasting the time. So I will hit the run test, and I'll leave my mouse on the other side, and you will see it's all generated by the test software now. So I'm not using my mouse anymore, and you can see it open up the website, choosing the from and to destination, also choosing the date right now, and it will also change the passengers from 1 adult to 2 adults. And also you will see the currency change from INR to USD, and hit the search button itself. And as you can see, there are no flights available. That's why it will show that no fares available for this date. So this was the automation testing done with the Selenium with Java, and with the 100 lines of code. And you can see that's how it gets done. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.